Walking with nature, one receives far more than one seeks. The adage aptly falls in line with the motto of S.K.M. Siddha and Ayurveda Company Private Limited, that offers an array of Siddha and Ayurveda products manufactured by harnessing the power of nature to nurture the world. Established in 1989 in Erode in the state of Tamil Nadu by the far-sightedness of Sri Maeilanandhan, the chairman, and the guidance of Swamiji Vethathiri Maharishi, a spiritual scientist. Over the last 3 decades, the company has been manufacturing nature's finest healthcare products through a rare combination of Ayurveda and Siddha potent ingredients that are carefully handpicked and ethically sourced from its own herbal gardens, from dealers of pure herbs, and through wild herb collectors from forests. All products are prepared at its ISO and GMP certified production center, adhering to strict international standards of purity to ensure superior quality. Lab technicians scrutinize the products at each and every level, bearing in mind the end product quality. SKM believes in the fact of life that today's modernity and innovations become the tradition of tomorrow. That's why it has firm faith in age-old traditions and is rooted in Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani traditions of medicines and products. The company is spearheaded by S.K.M. Shri Shiv Kumar, the Managing Director, ably supported by the Joint Managing Director Mrs. Kumudavalli Shiv Kumar, integrating traditional and contemporary methods and providing high therapeutic and prophylactic products, promoting teamwork through total involvement of employees, are all ensconced in the quality policies of SKM.
We were introduced to Siddha system of medicine by our spiritual guru, Vethathiri Maharishi. My father, in order to satisfy his desire to grow and sustain the Siddha system, started a clinic where we were making medicines, and these medicines were used by our own patients and doctors, plus other doctors are benefiting from the preparations that we are doing. In order to sustain the growth, we followed a company 10 years ago where we make more than 1,200 formulations following the ISO GMP protocols. The medicines are distributed throughout India for the benefit of all Siddha and Ayurveda practitioners. Now, in order to take the Siddha and Ayurveda knowledge to common people, we are now promoting a brand called Herboria.
The SKM factory not only reverberates with the sound of machines at work, but also the enriching chant of Om. Dhanvantri and Siddhar prayers are recited every day, combined with meditation before commencing work, that helps in the natural transformation of our employees.
Taking Maharishi's words as mantra, we are committed to prevention and cure of diseases safely through herbal formulations and thereby building a healthy society. Along with Siddha and Ayurveda medicines, we also make an array of excellent Ayurvedic beauty and wellness products in the name of Tuya.
SKM has its own herbal gardens spread over a vast area where carefully selected organic seeds by experts are planted and grown under the supervision of trained professionals who ensure that the most hygienic plants are grown and nurtured carefully. The hand-picked plants and leaves are washed and sun-dried in our solar plants. In our endeavor to empower women, we nurture local talent and engage them for training to factor in eco-friendly practices that support the environment, coupled with their simultaneous learning with us, that plays a definitive role in ensuring purity of products. This helps in our mission to bring natural wellness combined with beauty in humanity. Subsequent to cleaning and sun-drying, the raw materials are taken for a variety of processing to be carried out. Following stringent quality standards for every product during the process of manufacture is a way of life at SKM. After segregation, the best herbs reach the production center to be loaded onto an appropriate container and taken for boiling. After boiling, the core infusion is extracted and a few other ingredients are added for potency and purity. Experienced supervisors ensure adherence to quality at every stage. Then the final product, namely the Ayurvedic oil, is sent for labeling and packing. Similarly, Churanams too go through a series of processes and only the best are sent for the final stage of packaging. Our legium preparation is done with utmost care and concern, as these are taken in by patients who are in need of total cure from illnesses. SKM has inculcated the principles of traditions and natural herbs for its healthcare products and offers modern and easy-to-use form of medicines, namely capsules, tablets and gels. Medicinal syrups are also extracted from herbal preparations and then packed hygienically in bottles as per their respective measures. Even today, traditional form of preparing medicines is followed to the letter at our state-of-the-art center to offer potent traditional cure to people. Preparations of various raw materials are carried out using mechanized contraptions to save time and effort. The age-old traditional Pudam processes are followed by us for offering absolute purity in our end products. Wellness and beauty are part of good health too. That's why we have brought out a few brands, namely Herbodaya, Tuya, Tejas and the likes, so that beauty and wellness become an integral part of healthy living.
We are the first and only company in India to manufacture Siddha, Ayurveda and Unani products in a single manufacturing premises. Each and every stage of the products is controlled by the stringent quality assurance team who are well experienced and are working for the past 25 years.
The team of doctors at S.K.M. Chikitsalaya Integrated Hospital takes care of more than 100 patients every day. In these 30 years, Chikitsalaya has successfully treated more than 500,000 patients with a variety of illnesses and health disorders, adopting an integrated treatment method that combines Siddha, Ayurveda, naturopathy and yoga. Patients' records are documented and preserved for future reference. Also, the Panchakarma way of treatment is accorded that comprises of Ayurvedic oil massages, steam baths, cleansing enemas, a healing diet and other purifying practices. It helps eliminate toxins from the system, rebalance the doshas, heal countless ailments, providing a sense of clarity and inner peace. SKM has also digitized Olai Chuvadis, that is, original palm leaf writings, and has handed them over to the government for safekeeping and posterity. With a humble beginning of just 70 medicines, we have travelled a committed journey of preserving traditional medicines and nature to presently have around 1,200 Shastric formulations, around 100 proprietary medicines and about 47 wind range products that cater to the health and wellness requirements of humanity. Our entire production section stands true testimony of the extent to which we follow the Japanese principles of 5S that define trust, reliability, and the highest quality. SKM brings out a magazine titled SKM Vaidhyamridam that helps doctors and students become aware of the latest news and developments in Siddha and Ayurveda system of medicines. As part of our CSR activities, we have adopted 2 nearby villages to educate young ones and train adults to know the importance of nature and natural medicines. Free food is also provided every day for kids and the elderly so that hunger does not form part of their dictionary of life. In 2013, our chairman, Shri S.K.M. Maeilanandhan, was honored with the Padma Shri, the nation's 4th highest civilian award, for his outstanding contribution in the field of social work. SKM Center for Ayush System Research and Education is a trust that has been started mainly to spread the awareness of the benefits of Siddha and Ayurveda systems. This trust also provides free Siddha and Ayurveda education to economically backward students.